Not every hero begins life as a champion. Some are born small, misunderstood, and overlooked. Long before the world knew the name Togo, he was simply a tiny Siberian Husky puppy living in the frozen wilderness of Alaska. It was a land where winter ruled for most of the
Good pace,
year.
team.
Snow
Keep it steady.
covered the mountains, rivers froze solid, and
Easy
survival
now. Watch your
depended
footing.
on strength, endurance, and courage.
That's it. We're making
For
good
sled
time.
dogs, every journey could mean the difference between life and death. Only the strongest and most disciplined dogs earned a place on the sled team. The little puppy belonged to Leonhard Seppala, one of Alaska's most respected sled dog trainers. Leonhard had spent years raising exceptional sled dogs, and he knew exactly what he was looking for. A good sled dog had to be calm, obedient, and able to work together with the rest of the team. Unfortunately, this little puppy seemed to be the complete opposite. From the moment he could walk, he was constantly getting into trouble. The more Leonhard watched him, the more convinced he became that this puppy would never become a sled dog. He simply had too much energy and far too little discipline. Finally, Leonhard made a decision. He gave the puppy away to another owner, believing someone else might have better luck raising him. But the plan failed almost immediately. The very next day, the new owner returned with the puppy in his arms. "I can't keep him," the man admitted. "He's impossible to control. He never stays where he's supposed to, and he causes trouble everywhere he goes." Reluctantly, Leonhard accepted the
I
puppy
can't
back.
keep him. He's too much.
Leonhard locked the puppy inside
He
a
chewed
sturdy
everything,
wooden
wouldn't
kennel,
listen.
and even piled heavy stones around
I'm
it to
done.
make sure there
He's
was
your
no
problem
way
now.
out. The puppy didn't understand why he had been left behind. All he knew was that he wanted to run with the others. So he began to dig. The first failed, then the second, then the third.
Finally, after digging 7 different holes, he found a way beneath the fence. In an instant, he burst into the open snow and raced away. He wasn't running to escape. He was running to find Leonhard. Somehow, no matter where Leonhard trained his sled dogs, the little puppy always managed to find him. It was as though an invisible bond already connected them, even if Leonhard couldn't see it.
One afternoon, the puppy spotted a herd of deer in the distance. Without a moment's hesitation, he charged after them. The sled dogs immediately followed, abandoning their training as they raced across the snowy valley. Leonhard shouted again and again, but his voice disappeared into the cold wind. The puppy kept running, completely unaware of what lay ahead. Before anyone could stop him, the
I'm
thin
coming!
ice cracked beneath his tiny
got
paws,
you!
and he
Whoa,
plunged
no!
into the freezing water.
Stay
Without
with me!
thinking, Leonhard pulled hard on the sled, turning sharply to rescue the puppy. The sudden turn flipped the sled onto its side, throwing Leonhard into the icy river as well. Man and puppy both survived, but as Leonhard stood beside the soaked little husky, shivering in the freezing air, Leonhard stood silently beside the freezing river, looking at the soaked little puppy. He still wasn't sure what to think. This stubborn husky caused endless trouble, ignored every command. Leonhard, still convinced the little dog wasn't suited for sled work, he decided to give him away one last time. This time, the new owner lived much farther away. Surely the puppy would never find his way back. The new owner locked him safely inside the house, believing there was no possible escape. The puppy searched every room, looking carefully at every wall and every window. Then he stopped, his eyes fixed on a single window. He stepped backward, lowered his head, and suddenly sprinted forward with all his strength. Crash! The glass shattered as the puppy burst through the window and disappeared into the snowy wilderness. No one knows how he found his way home. Across frozen rivers and snow-covered forests, the little husky kept running. His paws became sore. Days later, while Leonhard was training his sled dogs, he heard a familiar bark echo across the snow. He turned around in disbelief. Standing there, was the same little puppy. For the first time, Leonhard saw something beyond the puppy's endless energy. He saw loyalty. At that moment, Leonhard made a different decision. He welcomed him home. The little husky had finally earned his chance.
During the next training run, Leonhard placed the puppy at the very back of the sled team. "You still have much to learn," he said. The puppy didn't complain. He simply ran. To Leonhard's surprise, the little dog easily kept pace with the older sled dogs. Before long, he was running faster than the dogs beside him. Leonhard moved him one position forward. Again, he outpaced the others. Another position. The same result. By the time they returned home, the puppy had worked his way all the way to the front of the team. Even Leonhard couldn't hide his surprise.
The puppy that no one wanted had finally proven he belonged. It was then that Leonhard gave him a name, Togo. He became Leonhard's most trusted partner. As the years passed, the bond between man and dog grew stronger with every journey. They crossed frozen lakes, climbed steep mountain trails, and traveled through blinding snowstorms together. Togo wasn't just the fastest dog on the team. He possessed something even more valuable. He could sense danger before anyone else. He made wise decisions under pressure, and the other dogs naturally followed him wherever he went. Soon, Leonhard entered Togo into the Alaska Sled Dog Championship. The competition attracted many of the finest sled teams in the region. Every team was led by strong, experienced dogs, and the race demanded both speed and endurance across Alaska's unforgiving wilderness. When the race began, Togo showed exactly why he was different. He guided the team with confidence, choosing the safest routes through deep snow and keeping the dogs working together as one. When they crossed the finish line, Leonhard and Togo were victorious. News of the remarkable sled dog spread quickly across Alaska.
Life seemed perfect. Neither Leonhard nor Togo knew that their greatest challenge still lay ahead. In the winter of 1925, frightening news began to spread across Alaska. A deadly disease called diphtheria had broken out in the isolated town of Nome. Children were becoming desperately ill. Several had already died. Doctors had only one hope. A life-saving serum waited hundreds of miles away. But between the medicine and the dying children stood one of the fiercest Arctic winters in history. Soon, the greatest journey of Togo's life was about to begin. Across Norton Sound, as Togo led the sled team farther onto the frozen sea. Every step carried them farther from safety and deeper into one of the most dangerous places in Alaska. The wind grew stronger with every passing hour. Leonhard could no longer tell where the safe path ended and the dangerous
Stay
heights
with me,
began.
Togo!
Once again, he placed his
through the
complete
storm!
trust in Togo. Togo guided the team through the blizzard. He seemed to sense dangers that no human could see.
Good boy, Togo!
Every
Lead on!
decision he made kept the team moving safely
Into the wilderness,
across
team!
the frozen
Mush!
sea. Without warning, a deep cracking sound echoed beneath the sled. The ice beneath them began to split apart. Long cracks
Mush!
raced across
Onward!
the frozen surface in every direction.
Whoa! The ice! Veer right! Pull!
Dark, freezing seawater surged through the widening gap. Leonhard knew exactly what it meant. If the ice drifted farther out to sea, neither he nor the dogs would survive. For a brief moment, everything became silent, except for the wind. Then Leonhard acted. He quickly tied a long rope around Togo's harness and pointed toward the distant shore. Togo didn't need any command. He understood. Without fear, the old dog leaped into the freezing Arctic water. The icy current pushed against him with tremendous force. Waves crashed over his head as chunks of floating ice drifted around him. The freezing water stole his strength with every stroke. Still, Togo kept swimming. Finally, he reached a solid piece of ice near the shore.
Planting all 4 paws firmly against the frozen ground, he pulled with everything he had. At first, nothing happened. The floating ice carrying Leonhard and the rest of the sled team was simply too heavy. But Togo refused to give up. He leaned forward again, his muscles strained, the rope stretched tight. Slowly, almost too slowly to notice, the massive ice sheet began to move. A few inches, then a few more. Leonhard immediately urged the other dogs to pull together with Togo. One by one, they joined the effort. The floating ice crept closer
Mush!
and
Let's
closer
go!
to solid ground. Finally, with
Good
one
dogs!
last
Keep going!
powerful pull, the sled slid safely
We've got
onto
this!
stable ice. Leonhard let out a long breath of relief. Once again, Togo had saved them all.
Carefully, Leonhard handed over the precious package containing the serum. The relay continued across Alaska, one team after another, until at last the medicine arrived in Nome. Doctors immediately began treating the sick children.
It's the serum.
Within
We're
days,
not too late.
the number of deaths
Oh, thank
stopped
God.
increasing. Families who had feared the worst finally found hope again. An entire town had been saved.
You're getting
News
so
of
much
the
stronger,
remarkable
my love.
rescue spread
I feel
across the
better,
country.
Mom.
People
We're so
praised
proud
the
of you,
courage of the
sweetie.
mushers and the
Thank you,
strength of their
Daddy.
sled dogs.
This whole community
Yet for
is
Leonhard,
healing.
the greatest
Together we
hero
can
had
face
always
anything.
been standing
I'm ready to go
quietly
home
beside him.
soon.
Me
Togo.
too.
When the long journey was finally over, the old lead dog was completely exhausted. Leonhard carefully removed Togo's harness and gently rubbed his faithful companion's neck. No speeches, just a quiet moment between a man and the dog who had never stopped believing in him. Togo slowly recovered from the journey, but Leonhard knew the time had come for his faithful partner to rest. After a lifetime of leading sled teams across Alaska's frozen wilderness, Togo finally retired. Years later, Togo passed away peacefully, leaving behind a story that would inspire generations. But history has a way of remembering real heroes. Today, Togo is recognized as one of the greatest sled dogs who ever lived. His courage, intelligence, endurance, and unwavering loyalty saved countless lives. The husky who refused to give up. Togo's story reminds us that greatness is not determined by how others see us. It is revealed by our courage when the journey becomes difficult, by our determination when others lose hope, and by our loyalty to those we love. Sometimes the heroes who change the world are the...
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.